Texas A&M University-San Antonio is here to help you make your dream of helping others a reality. Whether you want to be a teacher, principal, superintendent, or you want a degree in professional counseling or even kinesiology so you can be a physical therapist, the College of Education and Human Development is the place for you. All of our programs provide students with hands-on experience and internship opportunities so you can complete your field experience and practicum hours while you're still enrolled in school.
A&M-San Antonio is proud to have received a prestigious accreditation of its counseling programs. This achievement is a testament to the program's stability and a signal of promising things to come.
The College of Education and Human Development is doing amazing things for the community as well, like the Tu Casa program, which prepares students with intellectual disabilities for independent life, and Educator San Antonio, a state-of-the-art center that increases access to high-quality early childhood education and professional training for current teachers.